Hi guy, today I just bring back my bell grinder. I made a couple years ago, then I left it because I had a problem with the bell sander. Because the bell sander I find out a lot in the local market here, but the problem I cannot find out the glue stick the bell. I testing many kind of glue but it's not working. So like this I left it alone. Just today I bring back, I testing again, but I think it's good, but still a problem with the uh, bell sander because the glue I use it is not that good. It's not professional stick with the bell sander. So I cannot press hard because when I try to compress on the bell, that means the glue is tear or moving off. So this is a problem. But I hope maybe one day I can find out the glue because maybe I can look in with the online. I need bell grinder because this is very good, can smooth and can melting the metals or the piece plate of metals or the wires is I like it. So this one I just pull back that I left a couple years ago already. So right now I want to bring back, but if I have chance I can make a new one. I can make a new one maybe much better than this because also like the motors, this is a problem also not that strong, not that strong. But one day maybe I can make a new one. Thank you very much. This is only the show up my former bell grinders. Hope you enjoy this. Thank you.